Hi, this is Itziar from Bimser International, and in this video, you will learn about the Incident Management module available on eBA ITSM.
Let's get started.
The Incident Management section is where we go whenever we have a problem and we need someone, in this case from the IT department, to take a look at it. To show you how the process works, I will submit a new ticket. You see here that the first thing to do is select the template that better fits our problem. For example, if we have a question about Workflow Studio, we would select that template and answer the questions that appear at the bottom of the form. That provides more insight to the IT team and therefore saves us both a lot of time. By doing this, maybe we could even realize where the problem was before submitting the request. We also have to choose the level of urgency, and we can add some more details. Once we submit the incident, we will be prompted with a flow history where we can see that the incident has been assigned to Burju from the service desk. We can also take a look at the flow scheme where the green line shows where we stand within the workflow process. I will now log in as Burju to show you the notification she receives and how she would solve the problem. The new incident can be accessed from the shortcuts in the home screen. Right now, the results appear listed by date, and we can also identify the new incidents because they appear in bold. The form we see has three sections, the first one being the information provided by the user. After reviewing it, we have to fill out the fields on the Service Desk tab, the service name, the category, the subcategory, the type of service, and the impact. The priority is calculated automatically based on the urgency and the impact. The last mandatory thing is to select the source, meaning we need to define where the incident came from. On the right side, you can see that it would be possible to connect to the user's computer directly. Once that is done, we can either assign the incident to ourselves or assign it to someone else. Let's imagine I work on the problem for a few minutes and then I have to stop. I could submit an update and the workflow would show that the ball is still on my court. If I needed to ask something to the person who submitted the request, this is how I would do it. As you can see, now it is the turn of the employee who submitted that incident, so I will switch back to the previous user. I can review the question, answer it, and finally hit submit. Let's switch users again. Let's suppose that the IT employee has been able to find and fix the problem and is ready to close the incident. It could be something permanently resolved, and the system offers the option of adding the solution to the Knowledge Management module. That way, if the incident comes up again, the IT team would already know how to take care of it. Before clicking on Save, we also have to enter how much time we spent solving the issue. You can see now that there is one more step in the workflow process. The initial user has to confirm that the incident was solved. I'll switch users one last time to show you this. If everything is okay, we can close it and maybe answer this little survey about the support received. Of course, this is optional and customizable. Since this was the last step, the flow history shows that the workflow has ended.
Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.
If you want to learn more about eBA ITSM, make sure to watch this next video to familiarize yourself with the different modules of the product.